Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about my house. My house is big and beautiful. It is blue and white. There are 2 floors in my house. In my house, there is a living room. It has a big sofa and a TV. My family sits here and watches cartoons together. We have a kitchen where my mom cooks yummy food. There is a big table where we eat our meals. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms. My room is small but cozy. I have a bed, a table, and many toys. I love my room. There is also a bathroom. It has a big bathtub. I like to take baths with my rubber duck. We have a garden outside. There are flowers and a swing. I like to play in the garden. I love my house very much. It is my favorite place. Thank you for listening.